So here we've got another System 4 Flash MPU and driver board. I've also got the power supply here as well. But with this, just like every board that we do, System 3 through 9, we'll go ahead and pull the round pin headers, replace those with square 0.156 headers, replace the filter capacitor, went ahead and pulled the old sockets and replaced those and installed an IC14 here for the game ROM. Replaced the clock chip, or I'm sorry, the socket for the clock chip, the socket for the 6800, replaced the crystal here, and installed a 2032 coin cell holder. I won't ship the battery with the board, obviously, for shipping reasons. The 40 pin, both male and female, have been replaced. All 0.156 headers here on the driver board. We had 1, 2, 3 TIP 102s that were missing from the board. Replaced the filter capacitor here on the driver as well. Excuse me. And replace the resistors here in the switch section with 0 ohm jumpers there, and I think that pretty much covers everything here on the board. So we'll go ahead and get it powered up. Got high score to date versus last game played. Lamp matrix dancing here, and the only coil that's locked on is the coin lockout. And we've got a flasher that's going on and off there. So we'll go ahead and get this thing into test. And the first test will be display test here. And next test is going to be lamp test. So all lamps are working there. And move over to the solenoids. And the 2 blue LEDs there, those are the flipper ground and flipper ground relay activating. And the coin lockout will go out there and then into the special solenoids. And I missed the the first one, which is 2. So we'll wait for that to come back around. So it'll test 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. And like I showed, these are all switch controlled as well, so those are all working correctly. And last test is going to be switch test. So we'll go through testing diagonally through the switch matrix. And last switch in flash is switch 48 there. So everything is working 100%, and I'll go ahead and get a video here of the power supply as well, but thank you so much. Alright, so for the power supply, went ahead and upgraded the smaller diodes that were in here were actually undersized from factory, so we went ahead and upgraded those to the proper diodes. Went ahead and replaced all of the 0.156 headers here on the board, as well as desoldered and reflowed the wafer connectors here as well. So I'll go ahead and get this thing powered up. And first voltage that we're going to test is going to be the negative high voltage, and then the positive high voltage, and then 5 volts, and then we'll have our 12 volts, and then a string of 5 volts. And I believe this is ground, yep. So there we are 100% good to go. Thank you so much.